A bonus egg in Mama's hiding place, which she definitely forgot about. That has lots of treats.
Yeah, I want it.
Okay.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell right there.
So good morning, YouTube. We're there to talk about life in Jamaica back in the days, because Babe was telling me that one of the people he knows was a little bit flabbergasted that we bathe our kids every day. So Mommy and I are here talking about how we used to bathe 2 times a day. When you wake up, before you go to school, you bathe, and when you come back from school, you bathe. But these kids, them just have it so easy. So what I say now, Mommy?
No, I say, we never have water where we used to live when we did smaller. And we used to live at Alman Town. And we have to go on a Sabina Park. I don't know if people know where Sabina Park is. We used to walk around a Sabina Park, go catch water. And me maybe little bigger than Ariah. And me have my little bucket or my little bucket where me used to catch my water in and carry out. Because Mama not spare nobody, everybody have to walk and catch water. I will walk and go catch water and we throw it in one drum. And when we break a morning time, we have to decode water out of that and go bathe and water cowl. The water cowl, because we have to bathe a morning time before we go to school. And when we come out every time, we have to bathe again.
Yeah.
So I don't see which part them come from. I bathe the them
Every other day.
every other day. She bathe every other day.
You think say she bathe them every other day because of that she practice?
She bathe every other day because that's what she know. That's what her parents them used to do to her too. So we used to wake up a morning time and go bathe, and we come home from school every time we go bathe again.
Yeah.
So I don't see which part them can bathe them every other day. That's nasty.
Yeah, that thing where you know, go on road, dirty, I always go on road bathe.
Yeah, you bathe yourself, you bathe, you
Yeah.
wake up a morning time, bathe, freshen up your body, and put on your clean clothes. You don't put on clean clothes and dirty body.
Exactly, I'm just going to say that. So my mother always say, you know, put on clean clothes and dirty body. Remember one time, I don't know how old I was, right? But Mommy washed the clothes them and she put them in the drawer. And remember, you know, put on clean clothes and dirty body. But I'm a little favorite thing I just love wear. I think them did in the drawer. And I just love wear that little shirt them, and it just, that was my favorite shirt. I don't know, no fancy shirt or nothing, you know. I just did like that little shirt there. So anyways, me decided I don't want to have on with me have on. So me going at the job, Mommy already said me say, no, leave the clothes on my alone, and if you go put on clean clothes, you have to be the body. Me going at the job, go take out the shirt and put it on and wear it, because Mommy did gone at work, or she did gone wherever she did gone. And I wear it, I'm Friday, I'm happy. Then when I say, Mommy, I come back, I just take off back the shirt and fold it up and put it back in the jar. But somehow she know, I don't know how she know, you know, she know. And I did get a piece of beating there.
Maybe you did dirty or something.
I think there was a mark on it. There was like a little mark on it. And I said, no, I mean, I think it did in the jar yet. It did in the clothes, them were ready for fold up. That's how you find out, because you take up your clothes them and I go fold them up, and I say, oh, this looks so. Yeah, man, don't put on clean clothes and dirty body and them feel very strong about it. Trust me, I speak from experience.
That's just what we learn. You know, just what we learn, because my grandmother used to wake up every morning and bathe. My grandmother used to say, come Charmaine, come put on your clothes and go to school. No, we get up a morning time and she bathe me off, I will put on our clothes. I will come in the evening time again, I will bathe and go to bed. You know where them I come from, I bathe them every other day. Especially when you go do number 2.
Yeah.
And then you're going to your bed for the next 2 days. And how much time you go to do number 2 sometimes for 1 day.
Yeah.
Don't just need to wash. Them not things make them carry them in the bathroom and say tidy
Wash,
them
tidy
up.
them. Them not know I'm gonna tidy up. That's still a Caribbean thing. Tidy up and wash up.
And I think say them go tidy them off and say, alright.
Yeah, you just wash up the pertinent area.
Yeah. How many people them got 2 days without bathing?
I know that people come from school and them always smell sweaty, like them smell like them out of the door a play. I can't imagine them a come home from school and then just send them in a them clean bed. All them some there, you know.
In them bed.
All them some there, you could go in your clean, your mother clean bed with your dirty self. You know.
Even when me big, as me come from work, the first thing me do, take off my clothes and me go shower.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go, if me when I'm gonna go lie down and watch TV, I'm gonna lie down and watch TV. We never used to go lie down and I'm gonna pala in the bed with dirty self. And then go bed and come back and lie down in the same dirty bed.
Your Caribbean parents, them believe that cleanliness is next to godliness. And them take it very personal. Me used to hear that all the time. Them take it very serious. Cleanliness, godliness.
I want to hair for Easter, you know.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a longer hair for Easter.
And I'm helping you.
You're gonna help me?
I'm helping you. What?
No, you can help me tomorrow because you're going knot up. Because you won't pull out your ear.
Yeah, Ariah never keep her hair. You see that pull out?
Yes, you know how much
She's
time,
always put
you
her
know
hair
how
from
much
she was
time
a
I
baby.
plait this, how much time I plait this one here? When she got to her bed last time, I see it down here, so I'm plait it. I said she wake up and pull it up again.
I plaited like 3 times yesterday.
She pull it out
And
again.
see the other one on the other side pull out. I think she should have grow out type, but that is not a
I
thing.
thought she grew tight because me that
No.
comb her ear one day and she not do it.
She not
but
grow
now
tight.
she start back.
I forgot how to do it. Like,
She not baby, right?
You forgot how to do it.
And you remember now?
So you start back do it again.
You know.
Yeah, she keep on saying more, oh, she want her longer hair.
What does she mean? She want her hair straightened?
No, she want her ear to pull out. She mean pull it out.
She wants
her
it to
ear
be
let
out. So, on the good Thursday evening, it's a little bit, it's evening, but it's true, the time change outside look nice. On the good Thursday evening, look what Nana is making.
why is there Mickey?
Are you guys seeing the ingredients?
Yes.
That's what most of the ingredients every day.
What else was in there?
Come on.
Substitution and jargon.
And jagan.
Yeah.
And a jagan didn't you have a Guinness.
You eating a dragon.
Not a real jagan. But yeah, the day when I was a little lass, this used to be one of my favorite things to have. Cause on Friday, Nana, aka Mommy, used to say she not make no food. So she always
Come up and say you're gonna cook on Friday.
exactly. That's what me grow come up to. Only now me I do all them kind of blasphemy that we have.
Mama, I'm going to give it to you.
So yeah, we used to make this not every Friday, but you know on Friday I eat different things.
And 1 off, you're not out. But if you got 2 foot off, your feet is up, you're out like that. That's the rules. And if you get pinned
Just good.
for 3 seconds, you know what pin means?
Good
Like
amount
if I
of
lay on
it.
top of you for 3 seconds and you don't move, you lose. What?
That's not fun.
Alright, fine. What if come on.
Ready? Go!
Remember, if you're 2 foot come up, you lose.
One, two. How are you now?
Yeah, are you going to attack me just now if you're not playing?
He's not here.
What, you're the one?
I know you tell it to play photo. You want to do it. So
rules midway.
If 2 feet get off the mat.
Oh, she meant new rules.
If 2 feet get off the mat, you do. If one stays in, other one get off, you still do. Yeah.
All right.
That's me, just my mind. Oh.
Wow.
I'm not playing, you know.
Now why you keep hitting me?
I need to attend the game.
How you guys been?
So, good morning. Happy Easter. I'm going to go hide the rest of the Easter eggs that I was hiding last night because some of them are supposed to be outside and it was dark and creepy, so I didn't go outside. But I'm gonna go hide the rest of the Easter eggs and then we're gonna start Easter egg hunting. And let's see how quickly they get through it. Last time they said the clues were too easy and they were baby clues, but let's see. So okay, read the thing, Avery. Let me hear it.
Hop, 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 it's Easter day. Time for fun and to play. Cisco, grab your basket tight. We are on a quest for morning light. With this poem, you have begun. Find each egg one by one. With joy and laughter in the air. Easter magic is everywhere.
Woo! Ready for the Easter magic? So I have all the clues here. Here's your basket. Let's exchange. Do you want to read the clues or do you want me to read the clues? Oh, you want to read the clues? Okay. So this is your first clue.
Pretty.
What does it say?
One. In a place where Daddy walks and sits and Easter egg softly fits.
Where is that?
Daddy often.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go look.
Put it in my basket.
You can put it in your basket. You found it? Oh, let me fix it.
I can see. I think this say pop.
You think so? Okay, let's put it in the basket. Let's go.
I got.
Here's the second clue.
2. Something. What did it say?
That says somewhere.
Somewhere cold below your feet. An egg waiting, oh so sweet.
Where is that?
No.
What's underneath this floor? The basement. Is it cold down there?
Yeah.
Where the garage is called though.
Yeah.
Let's go. Did you find an egg?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Okay, let's read the next clue over here.
3. Well, your bottle.
Where you pretend.
Where you pretend to bake and cook. An egg is hiding. Take a look.
Where's that?
Look, where is that?
At the living room.
Okay. Did you look properly?
Yeah. Oh, and
Okay, good. The next
I see
Well,
it.
girl.
an egg snuggled, not making
I see it.
a peep. Oh, is it there? You want me to take that? What's going on down here?
Avery,
You
read
want
the
me to
thing.
read that one? Let me read this one.
In the fridge.
Is it in the fridge? How do you know?
Did I only go place it in the fridge?
You know that one? She knew that one.
Where?
Go ahead, go look for it.
Where? In the fridge? The heck can't chill in the heck can't chill in the fridge?
It's cold. That is cold.
Yeah.
This is cold.
Okay. Next,
The cold one.
Yeah.
let me read this one. Where we stretch and lift heavy things and egg awaits. Cling, cling, cling. Where's that?
I know.
I know.
In the workout place.
In the workout place. What's the workout place called?
Mommy, what?
In the gym. In the workout place. Let's go.
So where's the workout place? Hold on, hold on.
Wait. Ah, where I go big. Load it back. Load it back. Load it back.
All right, how did you know it was in the gym?
Because I know where you work out.
Okay.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
What are you looking for? Huh? No.
We don't pedal this. Yeah. Mommy's driving now. Wait, this is the next clue.
Found the next clue. That's good.
What clue was
Do you want me to
it?
read that clue? It's clue
Yeah.
number 7. This one said, do you want to read it? You read it.
In this, you go vroom, vroom, vroom. An egg is making vroom, 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 vroom.
Good job.
You know, we should definitely send her teacher like a video of this,
Is this
Yes.
the 6?
a clip, especially the one she's reading.
That's the 6.
Okay, so we're doing 8. Across the yard is Daddy's special place.
Space.
2 eggs are hiding by the place.
Yes. Where is that?
In the set.
In the shed.
Run, 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 run.
Have to run.
Okay, walk. Mama said walk. Wait, you leaving me.
Wait for Daddy. He can't. How many eggs are there? Oh! Give one color to your sister. What did the clue say?
2 eggs.
I found
it!
You did?
Yeah.
Whoa.
When I was going to do it, accidentally found it.
Okay, let's go.
Too small.
Here is the next clue
Too
number 9. You left that there. Come on.
Look, where kitchen sleep.
Chicken.
Chicken sleep.
Where's that?
Chicken.
In the chicken house, the chicken coop.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Hi guys, I see it. Found it? I'm waiting.
Oh my goodness.
Mine
We have 4 more clues.
My tennis, it's too big.
Yeah?
10. Where we cook our summer ribs.
Summer ribs.
And egg has made a little quick.
Where do you cook summer ribs?
Right there.
Yeah, let's go. You found it already? Okay, here's the next clue. You have 3 more clues. Here you go.
11. On the place you
Turn around.
sled and sled.
Yeah.
Your egg is hiding its little head.
Yes. Where's that?
So here.
The hill.
Right, I already know. Alright, just here. Just let her she was half.
Yes.
Let's go. Look at downhill. Okay. 13. In the circle where you
Make what? Castles.
castles,
That-
sand, and egg can be found under a bucket or plant.
Pat. Where's that?
In the house.
In the where? In the circle. Where is the circle? Oh, under what?
Under the bucket.
Under the bucket. There's one more clue. It's the last clue. Here you go.
14. In this place you
What is that word?
close,
Clothes. Your clothes.
get clean. Your last egg can finally be seen.
Be seen. Okay.
Oh wait,
Where's that?
in the house.
In the house.
Where in the
do
house?
you clean your clothes?
In the what?
Lights on. Lights off. Lights on. Lights off. And then a big one. And 5 pieces. Look in the other one. But you need to hold this one, you know? I don't know why the place is too hard.
You don't think that's hard. You fixed up all the other
Hey,
ones.
look, what in the Okay.
Have a bonus egg, and Avery thinks she knows where it is. Is the bonus egg in the cupboard? How are you gonna get to the bonus egg if it's in the cupboard?
We just need to be higher.
Yes, you do need to be higher.
I need to use the tail.
Mm-hmm. Are they right?
Yeah.
Oop. You wanna see? Go up there.
Every time I'll take down the 2 basket and look and see if you find it.
You pass the basket to her, Rai.
Yeah.
Come on,
A bonus egg in Mama's hiding place, which she definitely forgot about. That has lots of treats.
Yeah, I want it.
Okay.
There are 2 big eggs, I know.
Let's open our egg, right?
I'm giving it to Grandma.
You're giving that to Grandma?
What are you giving, Grandma?
You don't like those?
What is
I
that?
do, but I do want to tell.
Oh, you're sharing. Oh, okay.
What is that?
Jelly beans.
You give me some jelly bean? Okay. So can I have it in the egg?
No, Thomas. Yeah.
Okay, so who had fun at the Easter egg hunt?
Me.
What was your favorite part? Oh, that one? Yeah, because you knew where they were. What was your favorite part, Rai? Finding all the eggs? And what was your least favorite part? What didn't you like? Did you like everything?
Did you make that one already?
Yeah.
Is that yours?
Yeah.
Are you helping Rai with hers?
But I got it first. No, I got it first, you know.
But I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stay.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And turn on notification bell right there.